choice is simple. Join us and live in peace, or pursue your present course and face obliteration.
Yeah, I'm like a lyrical stink, always hanging around, getting up your nostrils, fucking up your sound, pound for pound. My mass matches gas, stinking worse than something that just crawled out of your ass, and my presence is nasty, looking really ghastly, like the out-of-date insides of a 2-year-old pasty. No one outlasts me, I look good for my age, banging rappers with mics of rock in the Stone Age with a bone page and some T-Rex teeth, fighting grave rhymes and rip anyone with beef. Endosaurus crossed with an X-09, a mechanic dinosaur traveling through time. Sounds intertwined in this mind of mine, slamming up rappers with stones made of lime. Yeah, yikes, come right, Wedi, allan, rather yo-yo, coming through fucking avenue, boyo. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the fair. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the fair. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day.
If he's a lyrical stink, then I'm a lyrical stench of garlic and really hairy armpits, cause I'm French. Cause when it comes to filth, some people deserve a mensch, like Dirty Harry doing Carol Parry on a bench. Cause for all the days like their shadows filling the night, taking a bite while in flight and playing with people's plight, looking for a fight with anything in sight. These are type of people who might give you a fright, from Hannibal Lecter to your detective inspector. Cause whoever you may be, this corruption may affect you. From Dracula to Caligula, we gotta go for the jugular. Cause I can lug you, lad, if you're fucked up and you're bad, and you're doing a dirty deed is what can make you feel glad. And this ain't a fad, there's always evil to be had. It'll even make you mad like Jacko when he's bad. A heap not enough back, but you're young and your lad.
Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the fair. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the day. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Yeah, naturally Afiach when I'm presented with a beat. Audio scumbag, stinking of rotten meat. Stenching first quenching, blood filled drenching. Dance full of tense fueled henchmen is tense man, rocking and ragging a beat to the core, enough to have perpetrators filling up their drawers before first course. That's just a starter, proper hardcore like an audio Kevin Carter.
All this shit is gruesome, just like he's rapping twosome, spewing out these lyrics like a boozy and woos them with cutting edge technology like Wallace and Gromit. Explicit with a vomit, it's so messy we should bomb it. All the horrors of the psalm and beyond that comes from it, like when you're feeling a bad omen that comes from a comet. A face you despise, all the hate in disguise. Now this rotten rap is like a curse attracting the flies.
Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the fair. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the day. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the fair. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day. Proper Afiach, pandanin, kwaad Diwygiad. Proper Afiach, ik ons bitter de Wedi, aan de Wedi, proper crazy in the day. Proper Afiach, in the contact in the day.
It is no concern of ours how you run your own planet. But if you threaten to extend your violence, this earth of yours will be reduced to a burned out cinder. Your choice is simple. Join us and live in peace, or pursue your present course and face obliteration.